Welcome back, Dines Nation, to another show from Dines Cooking Channel. Today I will be preparing for you pumpkin carrot pudding. For this pudding, you will need 1 pound of pumpkin, 2 medium carrots. You will cut the pumpkins like this, and the carrots, you will cut them, right? Then you will place them in a blender and blend. But if you choose, you can also grater them. Okay? So we will move to the blending process. So guys, you blend, and after you blend the coconut and the carrot, you strain it. And this is what you get, the puree. To this, you will add 2 cups of sugar, a little rose water, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, and a little coconut milk mixed with the juice from the carrot and the pumpkin. Stir. And I will leave the recipe in the description down below. To that you will add a cup of raisin. And mix. Then you add 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. So you combine all of the ingredients together. I'm going to need a little more flour, so I will add another cup of flour. You can smell the spice, the mixed spice along with the nutmeg and vanilla, smelling so good. Mix until don't see any lumps. In a grease floured baking dish, you pour this mixture. And place in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 50 to 55 minutes. We'll be right back to show you the finished product of this pumpkin carrot pudding. So guys, this is the finished product of the pumpkin carrot pudding. Looks delicious. So guys, like, subscribe, and share the videos. Enjoy this pumpkin carrot pudding. See you in my next video. One love.